Hello and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RV. Today we're taking a look at a 204 RB Cherokee Limited 2014. Very nice used trailer that just came in. We'll take a look around the outside and then go inside. Take a look in there. You'll notice this has got a power tongue jack, 220-pound propane tank. It's got the aluminum diamond plate down the bottom to protect you from rocks and stones. Prep for solar, so you get yourself a solar panel and this will charge the battery for you. Got a large storage compartment up front, manual stabilizer jacks, power awning. That's a TV bracket there and outside speakers. This unit has 2 slides. Got an oversized grab bar there. Got a spare tire and a cargo rack. Here's your other slide. Outside shower. We'll go inside and take a look in there. Right when you walk in, you'll first notice on the left, large cabinet with shelves. Nice and deep. And then your bath. Comfortable size. Medicine cabinet, vanity. Skylight and a large fantastic fan vent. Large U-shaped dinette. Entertainment area. Has the same bracket as the TV outside, so you can share the same TV. Microwave down below, counter. Oven and stove, automatic refrigerator. Got closets on both sides of this queen mattress and hardwood sliding doors. Again, this is a used 2014 Cherokee 204 RB, and I thank you again for choosing Paul Sherry RV.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from, and how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.